Composure.
It's our kennel.
On today's episode of OK Garage and Mountain Adventures, Kayleigh gets a reptile tank.
Along with the snow leopard gecko.
So we will do an unboxing video of unboxing it and setting it up. And she will tell you what she knows about the lizard as we get to those points. So anyway, take it, Kayleigh.
Okay.
So we got all this at Petsense. Right now, if you buy, I don't know if it's right now or just a constant thing, but if you buy an animal, you get the habitat stuff half off. So this was $140, $139.99 tank, and they took $70 off of it, so it was a $70 tank. I'll put the link to their website and to this as we after I edit. Okay, stand for you. They can see what you're doing.
Okay. I'm just taking everything out. This is a picture of the leopard gecko. It's very leopardy. Yeah, it's very cute. It has a permanent smile, so they permanently will smile up at you whenever they look at you. It's like the cutest thing in the world.
And this is ReptiSafe Instant Terrarium Water Conditioner. And then this is Repti Calcium. They said to sprinkle it on the crickets as you feed the reptile, and it gives them calcium.
This is the day and night. There's the daylight blue trademark reptile bulb, and so I think in the daytime they have to have UV light or something, and then at night it's called the nightlight red trademarked, and it's the reptile bulb, and it's for night. So I think they're both heat.
Yeah, so there's a daytime bulb with UV, and then the nighttime bulb.
So, yeah.
And then this is a thermometer.
Oh, cool. Yeah, we might need that.
Take this layer out. Okay.
This is
Like instructions. And then reptile vitamins with D3.
Calcium. She said calcium. Okay. So, reptile sand.
That's going to go on the bottom, I guess. Off to the side.
Okay, take out the cage out of this thing.
I will lift this up.
There we go.
Did you want to set this over there?
So I can get to it. Sand. Okay. So, peeling the sticker off is who wants that? I want full view of your gecko. I can't get it off. Okay. There. There's my trash for this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So every single guide that me and my mom have watched and stuff says that don't give leopard geckos sand because they ingest it, and that's not a good thing. So we came up, we're gonna put paper towels in it, so if they use the restroom or something, you can just take it and pull it out, throw it away, and then get more. So that'll be easy. We do it with the chickens too, whenever we get chicks. So here. There we go. What do you think? On the side. Okay. I think that's pretty good. Maybe.
Okay.
This is the food and water. Yeah, this is the bowl for food and water.
Okay.
So
This attaches with Velcro.
which we might need that. So here's the food and water stuff. It's always a good thing to have a trash can in a room because you're always going to be throwing away something. So I think this might be the water.
And in the comments, tell us what you think the name ought to be.
Yeah.
We're still trying to come up with the name.
Yep.
If you see us doing something wrong with the setup, feel free to bleep bloop it in the comments.
Yep.
And help us out. We're learning as we go. So, you know, we're open to suggestions.
Yeah. Okay. Here's the water. Here's the food. We're just going to be feeding her crickets because that's what Petsense has been feeding her. It's the thing that you pull this out and all the crickets, you just kind of move. There we go. You just kind of pull it out and then shake it out into their thing and give it to them. There's some, oh my gosh, there's a lot of crickets in there, so.
And should be 105 of them. We got a week's worth. Yeah, we need.
One spot right here for the
Okay,
water.
so go
I'm
get
not going to really put in the food thingy just because we're going to be shaking crickets into there.
Okay.
So I don't think they really want to stay in that thing.
Okay, we'll need a little cap to put the calcium in.
Okay, I'll go chug a bottle of water. Bottle cap. Oh, don't go falling everywhere. What's this then?
That's vitamin D.
Oh yeah. Are we supposed to shake up the crickets with it?
With the calcium.
Okay. Oops.
And I think the vitamin D too.
Water and food dish. Doesn't say which one's the water and which one's the food dish. This is the water dish. This is reptile water
food
dish.
dish is what this one says.
Okay, so this is the water dish.
Okay. Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Water.
Water.
And it doesn't come with a hiding place.
About that. Oh, okay. Spilled the water. There's water. And a nice little water dish. I don't think we're gonna put in this, the food dish, because we have
You know what?
crickets.
You can put the crickets in there.
But they're not gonna stay in.
They might
They
stay
jump.
in. We'll see.
Okay. I'll put the food on one side and the water on the other.
Okay. Well, thank you for watching our video of the unboxing and opening the box with the lizard and putting the box.
Okay, so we added the light. We caught most of the crickets, we just left a few. And the gecko is there. The water is in there. And we have the stuff, like everything that we put in here. We took out the, I don't know where it is, but we took it out. We'll probably make a smaller one.
We're gonna leave it out till
The crickets
it
are,
eats.
yeah. We'll leave it out until I see that most of the crickets in here are gone. And then we'll put it in. We have the lights. It's pretty cool. Yeah.
So we made a new shelter for the lizard. It doesn't take up half of the terrarium. So now he has more room, and the crickets can't take shelter under it either. So this is better.
Yeah.
But we just put the food out for him, and I'm hoping to catch him eating.
There we go.
Now he's eating it. You don't know. Here we go. Oh, wow.
Well, that's our unboxing video of the lizard. We've got the shelter built for him, and we're gonna get some, I think, coconut sheds.
Coconut fiber.
Coconut fiber to make a bed in there, so it's a little more snuggly, and he feels a little more protected. So next time I'm down the hill, I'll pick some of that up. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. If we overlooked something or did something wrong, feel free to comment. Like I said, we're all learning at the same time. So if you know something we don't, comment it down there. Let us know. Remember, we're looking for a name for it, so comment some names. Kayleigh's leaning towards something, but she's not positive. So anyway, like and subscribe. Thank you.
Bye. I gotta stop laughing.